Blind contour drawing is one of the best skills we can use to improve our drawing and observation skills. I know you've all tried blind contour drawing at this point, so now it's time to level up by drawing our hands. All right? Hands are a mess. They're complicated, they look weird, they have so many wrinkles and bends. They're a lot of artists' worst enemy. So I thought it would be fun to try and draw them without looking at our paper. I know that's a little bit evil, but I promise it helps you become a better artist. When you do a blind contour drawing of your hands, you start off the same way you would any other blind contour. You're going to pick an object, or in this case, a pose. So you can hold your hand however you want. Don't hold it just flat like a dead hand. Give it a little something, okay? Move your fingers around. Do a peace sign, I love you. Do a mamma mia or a salt bay. Whatever you want to make your blind contour drawing interesting. What you're going to do is hold your hand off to one side of your body while you're drawing with the other hand so that you will be physically turned away from your image. I'm just going to weigh down my paper here. You might want to weigh down your paper too, since you won't be able to hold your paper in place while you draw. And you're going to start just like normal. Pick a place to start drawing on your hand. I usually like to start down at my wrist, so this is the pose I'm going to be doing, and I'm going to start right down here. So I hold my hand off to one side, I find where I want to start on my paper, I place my marker, and that's it, there's no more looking. Now I'm going to work my way up my wrist. I hit my bracelet, so I want to draw that in. Back at my wrist, and I'm going to continue my way up. All right, now I've got all these wrinkles across my wrist. Remember, you shouldn't really be picking your marker up because you'll never find your place again. I'm working my way up my hand. I've got a couple creases here. Now I'm hitting my pinky for the first time. Work my way around the pinky. While I'm down here at the edge, I'm going to get my fingernail in. It's got a couple bumps in it, a couple wrinkles that go across, and I'm on to the next hand, or next finger. I've got a ring on this finger that I'm seeing just a little hint of. I'm working my way down my hand, stopping to get a couple wrinkles in there, and continuing down. I'm going to get my fingernail in there. I have to work back up the finger. While I'm here, I'm going to stop and get a few of my wrinkles. Excuse that, that was just the bell, if you heard it. Alright, so now I'm going to go to my next finger. This one goes straight up. It's got a lot of wrinkles at the joints. And head back down. More wrinkles. Oh, and I picked up my marker just like I shouldn't have done. Now I'm at my index finger. Wrinkles. You can see just a sliver of my fingernail there. Back down. Now I'm almost at where my thumb should be. There's a couple wrinkles there. And my thumb's kind of turned to the side. I've got like a nice side profile. And I can see just a little bit of the nail. Some wrinkles on this side. Continue down. And back at my wrist. I should have picked up my marker. back down side of my arm. All right, as far as hands go, I mean, it looks ridiculously wide. It looks like Jabba the Hutt's hand, but you can get the idea, right? You've got all the wrinkles of the wrist, the wrinkles on the fingers. That's clearly a thumb. So I would like you to practice your blind contour drawings of your hand. Take your time with them. You should be going as slow as I went. When you're done, take photos of your drawings and turn them in on Google Classroom. I look forward to seeing what you do.